If you want to trade with me, I have a shadow trading program where you will be added to a private group and receive alerts in a moment's notice anytime I enter and exit a trade. Click the link in the description below and let's start making this money together. Hey, how's it going today, everyone? Hope you're all doing fantastic out there today. Just wanted to bring you in here for this trade I am making on the AUD USD pair here. A bit more expensive on the contract side of things. As you can see, we got into a sell position for $15.75 per contract. That is our max potential profit per contract, which means, though we are paying a bit much for the contract, I just want to show you how secure this position really is, guys. So over here on our trading view chart, we have the AUD USD pair pulled up on the 1 hour candles. And as you can see, we actually have a nice wedge here where I drew some support, a temporary support line, temporary resistance trend line, and then we have a stable area of price action with support and resistance. You see a lot of long wick activity to the upside and the downside bouncing off of these zones here. And in the past, it reflects that as well, as you can see here. So basically what I'm looking at is just trading off of this line here, the support / resistance, and then also the temporary trend line that is a resistance zone as well. So our total potential profit here would be 15 times 5, which, bear with me here, let me pull up the calculator real quick. That would be about $75 for just being right for 30 minutes. Because as you know, guys, it doesn't matter how close or far it is from the strike. As long as you're correct up until expiration, you will reap the full profit just for being right about your position for a short amount of time. Which, adverse to stocks and stock options, you need some directional movement, typically, unless you're selling options, to reap a nice profit like this. So, like I said, we did pay a little more for the contract, and some people would not go for something like that. But like I said, our position is well above the temporary resistance line and the support area, which will need a lot of buying pressure to push past that zone to counteract our position there. And what I do in situations like that, because I do have trades go against me sometimes, no one is impervious to a trading scenario like that. What I would do is, if it's down to the last 10 minutes of trading and we are at the strike, I will see how much our contract position is down by, and then I will adjust the position accordingly by either selling out of some of the positions or just cutting losses altogether, or I may hold. Just, it all depends on how confident you are in the position also, and how many other factors are playing in, because not every trading scenario is made the same. And most importantly, above anything though, guys, is patience to let the market present you these opportunities, and also risk management. So I'll bring you guys back whenever we are taking our profit for this position. Alrighty guys, so we are back here, about to go ahead and take our profits. Normally I would hold into expiration, but with a circumstance like this, there's still 14 minutes left to expiration. There is a chance we could actually push back off this support, and if that's the case, I could have a chance to enter the position again and reap the profit potentials there again. So I will go ahead and exit. Boom, nice. So we're out just like that, guys, with a nice $50 profit. Short term, I think that was only about a 15 or 20 minute trade, so you figure you do this multiple times a day, guys, the profit potential is endless. And if you want to learn more about how to find these trading scenarios with a higher probability for success, then definitely check out the Informed Traders educational package down below, where I cover in detail through a video series of how to combine different technical trading tools like my favorite indicators in conjunction with support and resistance areas to ensure higher probability, long-term profitable trading scenarios, just like you see here in this video. In addition, we also offer the shadow trading program where you will be added to our private group and trade with me 5 nights a week, Sundays through Thursdays at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, where we take positions on Nadex just like you see here on a daily basis to make steady profits month in and month out. And like I said, guys, this whole position, as you can see, we also have our Bollinger Band indicator here. All of this ties together, guys. And if you want to learn more about how to do stuff like just like this, definitely check out the Informed Traders educational package where I lay it out for you, simply, straightforward, but detailed enough to where you can get a good understanding of what's going on. And it's really once you start combining things, guys, that you find these perfect storm trading scenarios, which is how I like to refer to them, where the market presents you these perfect storm opportunities to enter. You have a high probability of success. You're in at a good strike that is well outside of your resistance trend lines, your support and resistance zone. That way you have that added insurance. You pay a little extra for it, but just like insurance in real life, guys, you pay for it for a reason in case of an emergency. So if you're ever in a circumstances where you have to cut loss, you'll have a minimal loss on your hands. You'll rarely ever take a full loss when you're in a nice zone outside of your zone that you see on the chart here. So I hope this video helped you guys learn some more about trading the Nadex binary options. In this scenario, we were trading the 2-hour contract that expires at 4 p.m. here. So that'll wrap this one up. Just 12 minutes left on the contract. If there's a chance that I can get back in again, then I'll show you guys me getting in some more profits here. But I think that'll do it for this one. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope you stay safe out there. See you in the next one. Peace. If you want to trade with me, I have a shadow trading program where you will be added to a private group and receive alerts in a moment's notice anytime I enter and exit a trade. Click the link in the description below, and let's start making this money together.